Why should I buy from a small supplier like Spray Nozzle People? Now, we at SNP are a small specialist company, and some potential customers may be nervous about buying from yet another supplier. Many businesses want to limit their number of suppliers for fairly obvious reasons of keeping administration costs down. Spray nozzles are normally an infrequent purchase, so having a specialist nozzle supplier on the books may not seem like a good idea. Perhaps it would be better to source spray nozzles from your general component suppliers. That's a valid line of reasoning. Why should you buy from us? Why should you deal with a specialist company like us? Well, firstly, spray nozzles are complicated. What first seems like a fairly simple bit of metal or plastic turns out to be actually a very complicated product set. Moreover, spray nozzles are the last point of contact with the system and spray. So the entire system of pump and pipes and all the rest of it relies on that spray nozzle being specified right. If that's not correct, the whole system won't work properly. So that little bit of plastic or metal, whilst a relatively low cost compared to the overall system, is a critical component, and so poor advice on spray nozzles affects the entire system. It's very important to get it right, and that's why a specialist company like ours that focuses purely on spray nozzles is worth dealing with. Secondly, you can deal with us, get our expertise, and then buy through a third-party generalist supplier if you want. We do lots and lots of business with all of the main component suppliers like Brammer and Haley Group and Eric, as well as many local and international engineering companies. So you can come to us for the advice on your project and then direct the actual purchase through a third party. That happens all the time. We're perfectly happy dealing in that, doing business in that way. So you can get the best of both worlds. Thirdly, and I think this is the most important one, is that we're a human-centric company. What I mean by that is that the word people in our company name is the most important word there. When you phone us up, you'll deal with an actual knowledgeable, expert, friendly human being. You're not going to phone us up and get an auto attendant with all those awful menus to go through. You'll speak to an actual human being, direct your call in the right way to someone that actually knows what they're talking about. We believe that customers reward us for business if we offer good, expert and friendly advice, and we can do that on all aspects of spraying. So that human point is a really vital part of our competitive advantage. Fourthly, we're incredibly easy to deal with. You won't have reams of forms to fill out to open an account with us. We can take payment by card or by backs on prepayment. We can give you rapid advice on stock levels and lead times. Now, it may sound a bit daft, but many businesses, including some of our competitors, seem to go out of their way to make it difficult to spend money with them, and we think that that's silly. So we make it nice and easy to do business with us. Our relatively small size means there's limited bureaucracy within the business. We're not very hierarchical, and so you can get to doing business with us very easily with minimal fuss. So why should you deal with a small company like SNP? One, we're highly specialised experts in what we do, so we know what we're talking about. Two, we will deal with all of the third parties if it's too much hassle to actually set up another supplier account. We can go through the third parties later on after we've given you that expert advice. Three, we're a pleasure to deal with, and we place great store in that human touch and human element and the relationship. And fourth, we're very easy to do business with minimal hassle and bureaucracy. So please get in touch today for all your spray nozzle, tank wash and air nozzle needs.